The following video was a request by the Extreme 2006. I'll be doing Macon Douglas's request next, so stay tuned.
This is a local area emergency. Please pay close attention to the following message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Winston-Salem Police Department. A situation has been unfolding in a home in Winston-Salem. There was a mysterious figure located in the heart of Winston-Salem. This figure was located near latitude 20.3976 north, longitude 53.7924 west. Residents near this location need to shelter in place for further events. Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Winston-Salem Police Department. The mysterious figure has started kidnapping children. In addition, the mysterious figure has been identified as Dr. Eggman. He has been kidnapping children playing a game called Sonic the Hedgehog. Residents in Winston-Salem are asked to either shelter in place or not play Sonic the Hedgehog. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of North Carolina Emergency Management. Dr. Eggman has started kidnapping children in other U.S. states. The following states have reported kidnappings by Dr. Eggman: Oklahoma, Virginia, Alabama, Michigan, and Arkansas. Residents in these states need to shelter in place, or evacuate. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The entire United States is in extreme danger. Dr. Eggman has kidnapped half the United States. The following states have reported Dr. Eggman kidnappings, reducing their population to 0. States that have reported this event, in order from west to east: Washington, Oregon, California, Idaho, Nevada, Arizona, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Wisconsin, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Michigan, Indiana, Alabama, Ohio, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Pennsylvania, New York, Maryland, New Jersey, Delaware, Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Maine. All residents of the United States must evacuate to Alaska or Hawaii immediately. A mandatory evacuation exists for all residents living in the lower 48. Evacuate now. This is an emergency action termination. Dr. Eggman has been successfully arrested, after he lost a fight to a man named Sonic. This is an all-clear alert. You can leave shelters.